Good morning. This is an introduction to accessing assignments on the Blackboard page for Professor Roselli. When you enter the course materials, the materials for each unit are packed together. So if we look at Unit 1, you can see on the left, or sort of in the middle here, we start out with the study guide and then we move into materials for each chapter. The way these are organized is a link to the chapter in the e-text, the slides that I have that we'll use in class. But as far as assignments go, there are two ways that they show up, and they are either listed as professor assignment or mastering assignments. Mastering assignments are those through Pearson's website. That's your textbook editor. And so anytime you see professor or mastering, you want to make sure that you go into that assignment. The way it shows up for me is that I have to click on the chapter and then this will be blue. But for you, you should see a direct link. Click on this and it'll put you right into a submission page for your response. Some students, depending on their computer and their browser, have issues with the mastering assignments. So another way that you can take a look at those is come over here to the left in Pearson, click Pearson, and the green icons show up for Pearson. You'll want to click on Mastering Assignments. And when you do that, you'll see a list of all the assignments that are available to you. And these are the different assignments, and then these are the due dates associated with those. So if you can't get in directly through Blackboard, you can click the Pearson link and then go into these assignments. Thank you, and I hope that helps.